Hi, I'm Kathy Morgan, and we're here at Federal Brace today introducing a new product line to you. We are adding an industrial table leg to our current table leg designs. It's a 1/4 inch heavy-duty steel made in the raw steel with a clear coat finish. It's meant to be very urban, to blend and mix with reclaimed materials to create your own desk or tabletop. We're actually working with a local company here that does reclaimed materials in various forms, and they're going to create a tabletop for us so that we can show you an installation of how to use the legs. So let's watch a little bit of that and see how they create the table. As you can see, installation of the industrial table leg is very easy. If you have someone that can fabricate a top for you, or if you would like to order a custom-made top from Federal Brace, feel free to give us a call and we can let you know what materials are available and what finishes. You can order your own legs directly online for use with the top that you already have. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 877-353-8899, and our customer service reps are glad to help you.